love it, love it, love it. Hate it, hate it, hate it.
2.
Fixing your English.
3.
Fixing your English.
4.
One video at a time.
5.
One video at a time. Hate it,
Six.
hate it. Fixing your English. Fixing your English. One video at a time. One video at a time.
10.
Love it, love it, love it.
2.
Hate it, hate it, hate it.
3.
Love it, love it, love it.
5. 6. 7.
Love it, love it.
8. 9. 10.
Love it, love it.
Posh. Posh. Posh.
Since the 1950s, the idea came that POSH was an acronym for Port, Out, Starboard, Home. That's Port, Out, Starboard, Home. Port means the left side of a ship or aircraft when facing forward. The opposite is starboard. It refers to the accommodations of wealthy British traveling by sea to India to keep their cabins out of the sun. However, digging deeper, that association is uncertain. The waters of the past are too muddy for etymologists to say with confidence that it was the case. That's why it pays to double-check your sources. Lesson learned.